Hey y'all, welcome back to the Nails by Night on YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you can be alerted when your girl posts a new video. Today, I am going to be using the Kiki Nailed It. Her Instagram is going to be in my description below. Her nail tips, and I got them through Too Cute because I am a brand ambassador for them. So I did get a couple of percentages off, but I'm going to also leave my BA code in my description as well. So you guys, if you want to order from Too Cute, acrylic system bomb AF. If you want to order some acrylic from Too Cute, do not hesitate to use my BA code, and it's going to be in the description below. It is NINI, and you can save percentages off of your order. But I am in love with these nail tips. I'm only going to use these nail tips when I want to create a dramatic design. These nail tips are full coverage. You do not need to shape them or anything before you start applying the acrylic because it's already perfected shape. As you guys can see, I am using the Everyday Nude, and I am using Modelones small acrylic system, and it's going to be a pink and orange color. Spring is upon us, so I decided to do something out of the box and something totally different. If you guys click the video, I'm pretty sure you know what the outcome of the nails are going to be. But y'all, I was so excited when I decided to do this design, and it just really was like a random thing. I was like, I wanted to do some abstract nail art, and I wanted to do something totally different from my norm. So yeah, you guys, if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you can be alerted when your girl posts a new video. Tell a friend and tell a friend about my YouTube channel. My socials and everything will be in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy some of the video, and I'll be back to talk in a bit. And I forgot to mention how much I dislike Modelones or any small acrylic set, because I noticed with like smaller acrylic brands, or with not smaller acrylic brands, my apologies, I noticed with smaller acrylics like Modelones, things like Beetles don't sell acrylics from my understanding. But like, for example, when I use Modelones, that's what I used when I first started out with doing nails, and I noticed how runny the acrylic is. The acrylic is very, very runny. But today, for some reason, or when I was doing the video, maybe because I learned my liquid to powder ratio, I got it under control, and I really was surprised with how it turned out today. Also, another thing, you guys, is when you are blending, and I noticed that I did this a lot in the video, and I had to go back and fill in some spots with the nails, maybe because I was so excited. But whenever you're blending, you want to make sure that you blend out the top part of the nail that's going to be ombre. So you see right here where I'm putting this Everyday Nude here, and right below that, the nail doesn't look blended. It looks like a circular top part. Rather than me leaving it like that when you're placing regular acrylic, what I would have done was use the tip of my brush and feathered it the opposite way, so that when I do that nude on top of it, I wouldn't be having to do this because of the ombre. So you're going to see that throughout the video a lot, but just keep in mind that when I was doing it, I did not ombre correctly. But we all make mistakes, and we're all learning, so y'all learn from mine. Okay. So right here, what we're going to be doing is filing. We're going to be buffing. We're going to be sealing the cuticle. Y'all, it was so much. These nails were so long, so I had to shorten it down because I was literally filing straight. I was doing so much stuff, y'all. It took me approximately, I think, like one hour and 30 minutes to do just one hand. Take out like 20 minutes, or like, nah, not 20, take out like 10 minutes, because I got up, walked around, and did all types of stuff. So yeah, y'all, for the rest of the video, I am going to let you guys enjoy. That's pretty much the rest of the video, and then we're going to start the nail art after we finish buffing and wiping off everything, y'all. So y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Tell a friend about my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow my social media accounts in the product description below if you want to order any items for Too Cute. I'm going to have that link there, and I'm going to have my BA code there as well, and just show your girl some love, y'all. Without further ado, hope you guys have a good night, day, whatever it is on your side of town. Bye.